but I don't want the style. This is small. Yeah. You have medium this one. Why it's not good clothes? I don't like too much. I don't have nice clothes here. It's so bad. And this is my mark, guys. Always when I buy, but I see it's not really good. You have medium this one.
Medium.
Yeah.
Yun, 30,000 pesos na rin ba?
21, and I don't know my size like this.
May mga sizes yan.
Yeah, but I don't know my size.
Ito man, ito man, 30,000 pesos din naman. May mga sizes din yan.
I don't want to. White, guys. White. This is medium.
Medium, ma'am.
Can I try? Only here. I don't.
Kasi ma'am, ito na lang ma'am, yung ano niya.
You don't
It's
have-
only medium size na lang.
Yeah, but I don't know really exactly what is my size. So I would like to try the medium.
The biggest size of this, ma'am,
So you,
is XL.
if I buy that, I need to try, of course.
Isukat niyo ma'am, pick niyo ma'am.
Yeah.
Pwede naman natin.
Aba,
ba
pwede
yan?
po. Pwede po.
So just to put on the back.
Basta wag lang sa ano. mukha,
Yeah.
kasi
No,
pwede.
it's
Kasi medium size po ba ma'am?
you have
Ito, ano?
medium.
Ito kami sa upuan ha.
Yeah,
Ito lang
okay.
kami sa tapat.
Give me the car. To the car.
Saan tayo makikita?
Card. No, you just to put here. How I can to put the when I want something. So can I have this one with plastic? Okay.
Plastic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Ito sa medium na lang po talaga.
Ay, wala kayong large?
So,
Malit sa kanya yan.
medium tsaka small na lang.
Wag na to. Wala namang large.
Okay. So medium, hindi naman ako large. I don't have I'm not large. I have mini light. This is a very big.
Light na siya. Maganda nga.
I have a lot of.
Pang-ano mo,
I have a lot of white. Wait a minute. What is the size?
Ito yung card ha. Baka...
Yeah. I tried that all after I won. I know it's not. I'm getting fat right now, so but the large like this, I love to try.
What size of your ano ba ma'am?
I don't know because now I'm getting fat for my vacation. Guys, it's
Size 27.
27, 28.
20.
Try 28. Because I always wearing the beating pants. Always wearing. And this is not
Only 27 na lang. Only 27 na lang.
Oh. I know it's small this one. But I try all this, okay? This is what size? Large.
Large ma'am. This only one ma'am.
You don't have a stack. Oh my god.
Because ano ma'am, broken size.
What?
Broken size.
All what I want you cannot have. So every when I come
We
to
have a-
Philippines, I always buying only this mark. But I don't like because when I came now I choose and you don't have. So that is bad. And also you don't have a lot of choice now. Before I buy worth 80,000. So now I'm not happy because I see you are over there. They have two, Barbara and Beverly Hills. So now I find anywhere. That's what I want. But now it's only this. It's not good. and I don't have nothing to.
This one, ma'am.
Ay. Ano? I don't like that. It's large. What is jogging? Jogging. Digging. No, because I see this. It's rubberized. No, it's not rubber so strong. I have already buy this.
Shorts, ma'am.
You don't have size again?
What size, ma'am? Sa ano,
you,
bottoms.
you have that? So, I don't know. I will try first because I don't know. Now I'm getting fat for 5 weeks. I'm in vacation. So, okay. And
Medium.
yeah, maybe medium. Small. This is small. Yeah. Can I have medium?
3 colors, ma'am.
3 colors? 4 colors?
Khaki and gray.
I don't like brown or. I never have. Only white.
Only white.
Yeah, only white. So, what is medium? Large?
Large.
This is me. Give me 2. I don't want to come back. Large with medium. Okay? Because I will try later when after my choice. You don't have pants like this? One white one. I will try just to put in the basket because I will try. I pick that after. No, I want this model. Yeah, I have this 5 follow like this white. Problem is so strong. Now it's so hard. I don't choose because it's not my size anymore. Normally, yeah, it's like this also. I don't want this. I want to try large one. Oh, it's very big. I think. No, just I try. It's not my size. I know.
This one, ma'am. You want to try?
Yeah, I like also that black one, but I think it's very large about this.
Or medium.
Yeah, maybe it's so large.
Black medium.
Okay, try it.
Try and try.
Yeah, you don't have a lot of choice. Before I have much choice.
What is one, ma'am?
What's that?
It's a dress.
No, it's like a jacket. I don't like that. You don't have a lot of choice, you know. It's not good. Guys, I'm
Wala nga
crazy.
medium ng ng blue.
This you
This
have.
one, ma'am. Pang casual.
No, I don't like
You
that.
don't like it, ma'am?
No, especially the color. I'm only black and white. And this is what's this size? Guys, I'm crazy now, guys. Sorry, guys, if I don't talk to my live, my video. Okay. You have what color again?
Pink.
Only pink.
Yes, ma'am.
You don't have like a black or white?
This one lang yung white, ma'am.
No, it's not white. It's a lot of color. I don't like. I have only my clothes like black is plain. I'm very simple person.
Okay.
You know, I don't like this, but I don't like the color
Fair
brown.
enough.
Color brown. I have too much short now. I buy the short. I have much short, but I will try this. Okay, just to put here.
This, ma'am. Size medium.
Yeah. I never wearing the large there. Just now I want
Dito,
to
ma'am.
try. But it's small.
What size, ma'am? Large?
No. What?
Or medium.
Medium.
Medium. There's medium size.
This is nice because
Kuha lang ako ng medium nung brown, ay, ng navy blue.
Sige.
What is this? What is this? I want the rubber rice. Yes, rubber rice. Nice. No, I don't like that color.
Ayaw ng color.
No,
Ano lang color no black?
black, red, and white.
God, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am?
yeah. Black, red, and white. Yeah, give me that, and I know.
Ma'am.
Huh? No, I don't want to have a two color. I want only plain.
This one, ma'am. Design.
No, I don't like brown.
Like brown. Dark color only.
Kuha lang ako ng ano, ng
Sige.
large.
Mm.
Ma'am, kawit ma'am.
This one, dark color only, ma'am.
No, no. It's,
Menu arrival, ma'am.
only white I want. White.
White color. White color.
So guys, it's like that guys. I'm not satisfied my shopping because there's no choice. There is no choice the color here. And you know, I'll just love I will try this. You see, I love white and try it. And what more? There is no choice. Yeah, this is okay. No, it's not sexy. I don't like the style. I don't like. I have too much dress. But it's not open until on down. Yeah, I would like this. Guys, you see, guys, it's so. It's not really good. It's not my choice, guys. You know, I'm very delicate about dress. This is not good also. You know, guys, I'm small. I'm small, so I would like the model is here B shape.
This one,
B
one,
shape.
ma'am.
I think I have already white one.
White color.
Yeah. So I want the B shape only. This color I love also, but not my favorite. Just I love. Problem is it's very close. Because me, I always wanted to open like this, guys. You see, I want the B shape in my, yeah. It's like that what I want. But when it's not B shape, oh, look, I have B shape. This is the V shape. But the problem is, what is the problem, guys? Is the arm. I don't like that. I want long or more. We don't have this, so that is the problem for me. It's not really good. I don't know, like I wanted to have my choice. Yes, this is red. No, B shape, but it's so high, short. It's not good. Okay, so this is my problem. It's always problem. This nice. Okay, nice one. Yeah, nice one. What is the size? Is small. Oh, it's okay because it's large size. Can you put this? Okay. Can you put this also? Yeah. I just to get it, but not really for to buy. Nice color, guys. Yeah? My color, guys, is only plain. I don't like really the what the a lot of color I don't like. So now What is? Oh, I like the green one. What is? XL. XL. Oh, that's nice. This one, guys. You see? I love this.
Mom, only large, mom.
Oh, you are not good. Ito, you have this?
Yeah, 2XL na lang.
Why XL? You are not good. You know, every 3 years I'm coming in Philippines. So that's why this is only I buy in Mall of SM here. This is only the mark what I want always. T-shirt. I have many T-shirt now. I don't like the color. Maybe this one. What is medium? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. medium.
Okay. So I can to try. And this what
Large only na lang, mom.
maybe I
I try.
but that is very very big because I buy here and large, you know. It's the pit here it's okay my legs and about here is large. Oh my god, this is not good. It's always new. The ticket is there and France. I have that in France, so I'm laughing. Now
Dress, mom.
no
This one, ma'am, we have a different color now.
no, I need
No.
only black. No, I don't like the color. If you give me white or red, yeah, choice for me. Yeah, no, not together, huh? Plain black and plain red. I have already that. So this dress is I have already. I have this dress black or I have red. So I bring that in my luggage, but I don't wearing because it's hot. So this is my problem here. So here I need no. I don't like this. I don't like this. I know that is problem.
T-shirt, mom. Ay, hindi t-shirt.
What T-shirt?
Mom. V-neck.
Bilangin mo item mo.
What is?
This one is dress.
If you are B-shape, yeah, I would like.
V-shape.
Yeah,
This
but
one.
it's very close neck. I small,
close.
not good.
It,
Uh,
medium.
this is very very tough. I would like to be down a little like that. Like this, what I wearing, I always have this B shape and B shape because I'm small. You know, I don't like close neck.
Okay.
I'm very small.
Lima yung sa'yo. Bilangin mo.
Uy, makakawa ka dyan. Ala, pag nakita ka dyan. Ginawa mo, may yan.
What is the yellow one? What's this? Is
Isa polo shirt, ma'am. Color yellow, ma'am. Isa plain. This one.
no, I don't like this. I don't like that.
Lamaan
This,
din.
yeah.
Lalo na, sa'yo. Kaya bilhin.
I would like this, but you know, I would like to be shape.
B shape.
Yeah, because when it's close like this, I don't like. Before you are not here, because I know you are not here. Yeah, I like this. It's very light. Medium.
Wow.
Medium. Yeah, this is small. Can I have medium?
Medium size.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. We have, ma'am. Yeah, size medium, ma'am.
Yeah, I try. Huh?
No, 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 no.
It was
No.
dress, huh?
I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
It was dress I
This
want.
one, this one, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Okay?
Medium.
Yes.
Like it so big. Like it's very big. Oh my god. But never mind, just for
We have
vacation.
not any sizes, ma'am.
Okay, I will try. Give me that is small before. Can you give me the
Small size?
medium and small? Yeah,
Medium.
I will try that together because when I come back in France, I'm going small,
This one,
slim. Yeah, I will try. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so nothing at all. This
Yeah,
is
let me show you.
this is I would like to try it.
But this one size 27 only. We don't have.
Cargo pants, ma'am.
Okay, can you hold?
But try this one,
Can
ma'am.
you hold like this?
But try this one, ma'am. 27 size.
Yeah, because just only one also. You don't have another.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
This only one, ma'am. But try this one,
I
ma'am.
tried to my neck at because I know. No,
No.
27 no. I have new pants by 28. Not here. I buy 28.
28, not.
This 28. You have?
No, ma'am, is 29, maybe 29 size only.
You don't have 28 and you have 29.
Because as out of stock, ma'am.
Vlogger? Vlogger?
Ito, ma'am. Cargo
Yeah.
pants.
Ano? YouTube channel?
YouTube channel Lisa Project.
Ano ba?
Vlog. Yeah.
Okay. Hi!
You see
What's
right
up?
there? See hi?
Say hi. What's up, the HPC? This name, Leia Mondragon.
Subscribe your
Hi,
ano,
Leah.
YouTube channel.
Yeah, you subscribe and I follow you too. Okay?
Okay.
And I get
Okay.
subscribe. I give you. You know the subscribe is subscription is free, so you
Yeah.
can to subscribe anyone. I need to. I have too much media
Yeah.
and
What yung ano ma'am? YouTube channel para
Elisa Froger.
Elisa.
Yeah. Or if you want to me and TikTok,
Alisa.
I'm also TikTok. Yeah.
Ma'am, ito, ma'am.
You follow me on Facebook. I have in Facebook also Elisa Froger. Or in TikTok, I have 93,000 followers.
Ah, okay.
So follow me anywhere.
Hi
Instagram
daw,
is
hi.
one only. Hi, you say
Hi,
hi.
madam.
You have oh my God, we can meet only one time every 3 years or 4 years.
Where are
Because,
you from, ma'am?
France.
France.
You know. So this is my favorite shop, but now I'm hungry because
Here in the
No.
Philippines, ma'am.
yeah, in
Philippines.
Philippines. Yeah, I love this. Before it was there two kind of shop. This is separate and this Beverly Hills. But I found anywhere and I cannot see. No,
Santa
it's-
Barbara. Yung on Santa Barbara.
Yeah.
Una pala nakita ko na napanood kasi.
We have a group, huh? We have a group, but where is my group now? I don't know. Not yours.
May kasama si ma'am.
Yeah, 2 boys.
And then, ma'am,
Okay. So I will try now.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
I
This is
think-
our eating room, ma'am.
Ew, I'm hungry because I would like to try this.
YouTube
Sayang,
channel.
Yeah.
Subscribe, like.
Yes, guys, subscribe and likes, okay, girl? And see you.
Okay, ma'am.
My
Okay.
flight by Monday, 5:30. Yeah. So I will be here last week. So see you maybe 4 years or 3. No, I have many white like this.
White daw.
No, they don't have. It's so bad now, the clothes. I buy here very, very big price, you know. 80,000, 60,000 is like only for me. And I love this. But now it's not good. Not good the model and
This one 28
clothes.
size, ma'am, but
no, it's
other
not the
design.
same model. And I like this.
Yeah.
Because I have that here. I buy here. It's not the same, but it was fit.
Fit.
Yeah, but this is large. I love to try the large. But anyway, I try
But
to.
no more sizes, ma'am.
Yeah, you don't have.
We don't have na.
You don't have jeans, pants, white also.
White leg. Cargo pants.
What?
Cargo pants.
What this cargo?
Ay, daw, wala na,
Cargo.
madam.
What is
Ganito,
cargo?
size 20.
Ah, hindi. Yung may ano pala.
Ah, this is a short?
Skinny, ma'am?
Dam.
You want skinny?
Yeah, alright.
Yeah,
But,
ma'am.
Cargo
28
shorts.
anak niya eh.
this one?
Cargo pants.
No,
This one.
not so.
You know,
Not so.
size
good.
28.
Size 28?
No, I
Yes.
have already that model.
Ah, yung gusto niya yung ano, malalaki yung ano.
Ay,
I will try now.
Ay, yung parang malalaki.
Falda short.
Yeah, but I want the short. I want the. I want the. You know, I'm wearing the mini skirt, but it's not large because I'm very small, so it's not good for me. That I have already that model, darling. Sorry.
Okay.
Mom, you want garterized jeans?
Yeah, would like
What's
the
your
rice. 28.
You want
28
skinny, straight cut?
Yeah, try, but it's not polo.
Yeah.
You give me that, but I want a beige shirt.
Ah, Biche.
Yeah.
Gusto niya polo.
We are always hungry. Well, we cannot have good choice
Polo
because
kasi gusto niya polo coat and ano yung
Ito,
Yeah.
garterized, ma'am.
I have already this. You know what happened? I buy this kind of fans and polo.
This one, ma'am.
Then when I try, that is for to sleep. Ah, yeah. Why not?
This ano pang
This-
casual.
No, I'd never go out like this.
Okay.
No, now I'm
This
in
other
vacation,
color, ma'am.
so that's why. Yeah, I prefer that. You
This
know what
size
I'm
medium.
doing here? For to sleep. Yeah,
Wow.
this is nice.
This is nice. Oh my
Yeah.
goodness.
I don't like that color, but
Yes.
just for to sleep. For to go out, no, I don't think so. No, 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 no.
One color lang pala.
I don't like. I never have brown.
Meron na lahat kasi ayaw nila kung ano ng stripe. Ito walang large. Plain lang. Kaso large na lang kasi ito eh.
Sobra.
Wala na ano. Wala na.
Medium.
Medium.
Yeah.
White pants, ma'am.
Yeah, but only this. You don't have medium.
Medium, 28.
28. Try.
You want this one, Biche?
Yeah. What is medium?
Okay, I find na ano, any sizes,
medium,
ma'am.
medium. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, baby.
I don't put
Hi, baby. You want to go inside? Say hi. Say hi. Hi, baby. What's this?
This pants, ma'am.
Can I?
Try.
Wait a minute. Where can to put the camera? Okay, hold on.
Hello.
Camera vlogger. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Hello guys. Yung nag-ano talaga siya.
I want the black one.
Black? Yes, ma'am. We have a black.
Try. So, guys, I try this. Oh wow, I love this because it's rubber.
Yes.
Rubberized. Guys, it's nice, guys, right? So what is the
Wala ba kayong black na parang ano?
large? Okay?
Large sizes, ma'am.
That's because I have big here.
Yeah.
So
Try this one.
large or I think it's small large. I don't know. Like
What
it's
size?
Small. I don't know because this is a rubberized.
Yes, ma'am. Garterized, ma'am. This.
So give me two and what is the one? It's the same color.
It's the same color, yeah.
Ah no, I love this because it's shiny.
Oh. This, ma'am, khaki, ma'am.
No,
You know, like color? No. Dark color only.
never have that color.
This one, navy blue.
Yeah, try.
It's the same size, large size.
Large. Okay. I try. So now I going to try this.
Yes, ma'am.
Try na ni ma'am.
Yeah. You come, Mika? You want to come with me? One of you or only me?
This fitting room.
Ah, okay. I thinking to. No, because before I go to fitting over there.
Jog. Kay malapit kay.
Yeah, I buy that pants. Wait a minute. No, normally painting. Okay, I paint now. Yeah, I paint now. So guys, welcome guys. Come with me guys and who say tell me guys if you are say oh it's nice Elisa. Wow. If I'm nice guys, that's great. Where I go? I'm hungry now. You know I don't eat my lunch. So guys, you know how many this Okay. Medium? Medium kuya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kuya.
One.
Okay.
3, 4, 5, 6,
Ma'am, sa white po, paingat na lang sa white.
1,
Sorry?
Sa white.
2,
White?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sa inyo. Yung
Why?
sa amin.
Ito pa.
7. 7. Pinlastic mo na kagad.
Hindi, kasi sabi niyo mong kanina.
8.
Ayan.
Uy.
I try all these guys by other things so I get all because I know that there is no bad, no good, and when I say no good, I don't want to take. Okay, just I only try and what is the best I get it. Okay, okay. But guys, I don't go out. I just to coming out here.
Bali, mag-ano na si ma'am.
Okay, you if you want to assist me, no problem. Okay. Okay, I put my camera in the ground, guys. I cannot set the. Okay, guys. So we try it. Oh no, how you can to try? Okay, guys. I want to try here. So let's see. What time is it? What time is my okay guys, thank you so much guys. Now I open again my let's go guys. Thanks for subscribe guys. No bashing guys now. Just thank you for subscribe and share and likes my videos. Thank you so much guys. I need your help for this is for help people also this video and this channel Eliza Rogers just to help the people. So this is a try show. I want to end my live and see you the next video. I love you all. God bless guys. Thank you so much. See you next video. Bye bye. I love you.